This is a short tutorial video on how to customize the DingStinger app to your business. The first thing you'll do after you've downloaded the app onto your device is go to the top right-hand corner and enter the settings menu. Once in the settings menu, you can choose the custom color of your business information as it pulls up. Enter your name, your email address, company name, address, your logo. You can even take a picture off of a business card and use that as your logo on your estimates, and these will print on each individual estimate. Enter your phone number, the denomination dollar value used in your part of the world, oversized dent charges for double oversize and single oversize, shop labor rate in your area, shop material rate for your paint times, and parts tax rate for all parts that you will be billing for. You also can go to the estimate disclaimer and put in any custom information for your business or disclaimers for your customers. Invoice disclaimers, and also a warranty section that you can put in a warranty for your business. This will also take you to your subscription options so that you can start and stop your subscription at any time, terms of service, and our privacy policy. From this menu, after you have this information saved, just push save. If you would like to go into the custom operations, this is where you can go to the custom operations and preload any menu pricing so that it will be priced and taxed. So for instance, let's say you're going to do a clear bra. If you tap the clear bra, it will bring up a section that will have an automatic price. It will ask you if it's tax exempt or labor tax exempt, and you can put notes for each operation that will go on to the estimate and invoice for your customers' records. So basically, you can customize this list to anything you want. Anything you want to remove, you just delete it here. Then start to build your own custom list of all your custom operations. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on how to save and use the settings in the DingStinger app.